Running for the H-Town Hurricanes B team is a team of Mouton, Johnson, Coleman, and Gonzalez. For the wing C team, you have Jefferson, Bass, Michael, and Petaway. For PTX A team, it's Rylander, McDaniel, Walker, and Franklin. And for Max Velocity A, you have Price, McNeil, Norris, and Hubert. This is section 1 of 2 sections.
And that is Max Velocity first to the handoff. Pearland Track Express, followed by the Wings and the H-Town Hurricanes. PTX already making up ground. And that is Pearland Track Express, moving with purpose. The Wings moving into second place.
Let me have your attention at this time. We need about 8 volunteers to report to the finish line to pull blocks as we get into these older division 4x400 meter relay teams. Again, we're requesting 8 to 10 volunteers to help pull blocks for 15 at the start of our 15 to 16 year old 4x400 meter relay team. Rather relay races.
And that's your leader, Pearland Track Express. Remember, volunteers, if you can make yourself available to help pull blocks, we need about 8 to 10 volunteers. Please make yourself available to help move blocks. We need you ASAP. Thank you so much.
I can do it. That's why I asked. She stretched it all out.
First call, 15, 16-year-old boys shot put. First call, 15, 16-year-old boys shot put. This is your first call. This is PTX coming in. Help bring her in. The Wings making moves. H-Town Hurricane says, no, that's not in the plan.